Welcome to 10 minutes of Zen meditation. Reflect on these quotes to find peace in the present moment. Each breath is a gate to the present. Step through with awareness. To be awake is to dwell fully in this moment, not chasing shadows of past or future. The mind is a still pond. Let thoughts ripple without holding them. When you walk, let the earth touch your feet. When you eat, taste the universe. The present moment holds all truths. Look, and you will find no lack. All things pass like clouds across the sky. Do not cling to their shapes. The cherry blossom falls, yet its beauty teaches us to let go. Life is a fleeting breath. Embrace it, then release it without sorrow. What arises must fade. In this truth, find the heart of freedom. A single bowl of rice contains the whole of life. Eat with gratitude. To live simply is to carry only what the heart truly holds. One candle's flame is enough to light the path to peace. Simplicity is the art of seeing the treasure in the ordinary. To ease another's pain is to lighten your own heart. Kindness flows like water, softening the hardest edges. In every being, see the same light that shines within you. Compassion is the bridge between self and other. Cross it freely. A single moment of true seeing reveals more than a lifetime of thinking. In the silence between thoughts, your true nature shines. The path to truth is as close as your next moment. Carry this peace into your day. Breathe and return to the present.